rest. So I'm going to rub rest of the stuff, like rest of the pencil stuff, and I've got this kind of A here. I hope everybody has got. If you have got, you can show me a thumbs up, and then we will move ahead to the next step. I am going to tell you that how we can make a shadow to it. Okay, I'm going to tell you the concept of the shadow, how we can make the, how we can add the shadows, or we can make a 3D letters. Okay, yeah, I can see a lot of kids have made this one. Now, everybody's eyes should be on my work. I'm going to tell you one interesting thing. Okay, here I have this letter. Okay, I am just going to tell you one interesting thing. Here we have a light. Okay, this is a light. Okay, and a light is coming from this side. Yes, light is coming from this side. When light will come from this side, our shadow will be this side. Yes. Okay, so we are going to make the shadow this side. Suppose we have A again here, this side. Okay. Yes, like this. And we have a light this side. Yes, we have a light this side. So our light is coming from this side. So the shadow will be opposite side, right? So it will always happen that wherever your light is coming, from wherever your light is coming, the shadow will be always opposite. Yes? Or we can make it a 3D, so it will be opposite side. Am I correct, everyone? Did you got this thing? Yes. Okay, so this side for the bubble calligraphy, we are going to think of, let's think of that the light is coming from our left side. Okay, light is coming from this side. Is that fine, everyone? So let's okay, no, sorry, it's light is coming from right side. Okay, when we are going to make it from the right side, then only it will be left side. Okay, the shadow will be which side? Left side. So let's make a shadow. How we can make a shadow here? Suppose light is coming from this side, so this we are going to add on a shadow this side like this, and for this we are going to have a shadow this side. Am I correct? So let's fill it up with a shadow, or we can say it as a 3D letter. It's all up to you. Okay, and kindly make it equally. Okay, I hope you all are getting it. Did you got the concept of this? Please show me a thumbs up if you got this kind of concept. Great. So now what we are going to do, I hope everybody has seen a bubble, right? Everybody has seen a bubble. There is a part like this which looks like a watery part, right? There is a part like this which look like a watery part, a shadow, when we add a shadow. So in the same way, we are going to add this here and one this side. Is that fine? I hope everybody has make a bubble A. Okay, I can see a lot. Very nice, Manya. Very nice, Kriya. Very nice, Aisha. Okay, I can see a lot of kids have made A beautifully. Amazing, amazing. Very nice. Very nice, Ikra. Very nice, Viraj. Great. So we are moving ahead to B. Everybody is ready for B. Please show me a thumbs up in your... I need to see your smiles, kids. Great, great. Okay, so we are moving ahead to B. As we have used 5 lines here, we are going to use the same lines, same 5 lines for the B. Let's move ahead for the B. Kindly pick up your pencils. Let's make a straight line from first line to the fifth line. Or for the B, let's make 3. 1 and then 2. The down will be little bigger and the upper round will be little smaller. Okay, the next part what we have is we are going to have ovals. We are going to add the ovals to our letter. How we are going to add ovals to our letter? As I have told you, there will be each oval for the each line. So let's make a line oval. And after this, I have told you that we are going to make the line ovals on the line. Now, what will happen when there will be a rounded part? We just have to add, please check it out. As we are going to move for the rounds, we are going to add the ovals according to that. Look here, we are going to intersect it like this, one oval. Now, as we are moving ahead to this part, let's add one more oval. Okay, let's add one more oval. So what we did for the one round, we added 3 ovals. 1, 2, 3. Now, in the same way, we are going to, okay, please do it till here, then we'll move ahead to the next part. The next part is we are going to add 3 ovals again. For the first part, we are going to add 1 oval here. For the second part, we are going to add 1 oval here. And for the third part, we are going to add 1 oval here. And we are going to intersect all the ovals in each other. There is no problem. And I hope kids are getting it. Khanjan is getting it. Yes, she's showing me a smile. I can see a lot of smile. Very nice, Barkha. Very good, Myra. Myra, make it little bigger. Make it little bigger. You're making it too small. Very nice. Okay, okay. Yes. So what we are going to do now, we are going to take our sketch pen. You can take any different color of sketch pen. It's all up to you how much colorful you want to be. So I am going to have, again, I'm going to have the orange with me. So let's do it. We are going to make, yeah, that's fine, Myra. Okay, we are going to make it like this. We are going to make it a outer part like this, just that. We have joined the outer part. And now we must have got some triangle or a circle inside here, like this. We can add on a triangle here. Again, we can add on a triangle here. Right? I guess everybody has got that triangle. And if you didn't got it, it's really fine. If it is a square, you can make it a triangle or a square, that's fine. Sometimes it happens that the kids get square or something. Yes, you can make it a triangle or a square. Okay, but try to make it triangle. And then what we are going to do is we are going to have a eraser and we will rub it. Rub the all inside part. And try to make rub it nicely so that your sketch pen don't get vanish or something. You just keep it in mind that you have to do it nicely. Okay, otherwise sometimes your sketch pen get vanished. Then you can do one thing, you can make it again for the neatness. Okay. Now what I have got is, I have got this kind of bee. Again, my light is coming from the right side. My light is coming from this side. Okay, whenever my light is will come from right side, the shadow will be left side. Let's make it. One, like this, a little this side also, and yes, my shadow will be this side also. Look here. Are you getting it? And let's double it up nicely. And after doubling up, what we can do is, we are going to add one bubble effect, and then again one bubble effect this side. Okay, so I hope everybody has got the bubble letter, bubble B. Yes, great. So you can show me a thumbs up if you are done with this thing. Very nice, Svetlana, you're doing it good. Good. Hriddhi has done good. Very nice, Manya. Very nice, Vrudhi. Great, Dakshita. Amazing, amazing. I can see Dakshita has made 2 A's. Beautiful. Very good, Kriti. Amazing. I can see a lot of kids. Very nice, Arpita. Your B is beautiful. Okay, so we are moving ahead to the next part. We are moving ahead to C. Please continue with me for the C. Ahead for the C. I'm going to make it here. And yes, we are going to use again 5 lines. Okay, please pick up your pencils. Let's move ahead. I'm going to make it here. Let's start up. Start from the first line, make a rounded C, okay? Start from down, go till the 5th line, and again around. Okay, after making this, what we are going to do is, we are going to make the ovals. How we are going to add on the ovals? Kids, I can't repeat all of the letters again, so kindly continue with me from wherever I am, right? And then you can see it afterwards on the YouTube, whichever the alphabet you have left, or we are going to send you the picture of the letters. Okay, we are done with C, I guess. Now what we are going to do, we are going to add on the ovals to it. As it is circular, so we are going to add on a lot of ovals to it. Please keep it in mind how to do it. Starting from this start part, a rounded part. Let's make a beautiful oval here. One. Start from the first part. We will start from the starting. Okay. Now what we are going to do, we are going to add on one more oval. Third oval again, which will go a little bigger, will come till down. We will add on one more oval. We are going, we'll move ahead with the shapes, okay? As we will move, as we will turn round, we are going to make it in the same way only. After this, we will add on one more oval, which is our last oval. Okay. Now, what we have to do is, we have to make it a little rounded, okay? So we will be little flexible to the things. Let's add on, I'm going to make it with a different color. Let's do it with red. Okay. Let's add on one. Okay, please be rounded, okay? Make a rounded part like this. I just want to say that you have to make it little round. Don't go, we have to be little flexible and make it rounded. And after this, let's rub the inside part. Moving ahead to the shadows. First make the outline and then let's rub the inside part. After that, let's make a shadow. The light is coming from the right side and we are going to add the shadow to the left side. Let's see how we are going to add on the shadow. Start from this part and the shadow will be same as we have made the alphabet. We did this and let's fill it up nicely. And after this, let's give a bubble effect to it. How we are going to give a bubble effect? 1, 2, and 3. And put the dots as well to the down part. Very good, very good. Make it the lines. Niyati, please do it in the lines, okay? Start from the line and go till the end to the line. So that it will, very nice Huda, very nice Kriti. I can see a lot of kids, very nice Kriya. Beautifully done. Dakshita is doing very nice. Very good Lakshit. It's beautiful and colorful. Amazing. Okay, Manya. I can see a lot of kids have done. So we are moving ahead to D. We are moving ahead to D. Let's move ahead. We are going to make 5 lines again. Like we are going to use. It is not difficult. It is not difficult. Be with me, Niyati. Do it step by step and it will be done. Do it step by step. Let's move ahead. We are going to do 5. We are going to use 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Keep it in mind that. Okay. Let's make D. Make a standing line from the first line to the last line. Moving ahead, let's make a block D like this. Yes. Now, what we are going to do, as we all know, we have to add on the ovals to it. So the very first thing what we will do is we are going to add on oval this side. And as much circular oval we can make, we have to make that, okay? And the second point is 1, as we'll move ahead, we are going to make the ovals nicely like this. Moving ahead to the third oval here. And we are going to intersect the oval. There is no problem. Thank you, Huda. Okay, and then we are going to make last oval, which we are going to make it a little bigger. Okay. After making this, what we are going to do is we are going to take some different color pen. So I'm going to take it green. It's fine. You can make any, you can make it with any color. If you want to make it with all of the thing with the blue, that is also fine, because bubbles are little blue, or you can make it with any color. It's all up to you. Let's make like this. And then we can add on a little small d this side like this. It's all up to you. It can be flexible, okay? It can be really flexible. And then let's rub from the inside. But the outer part should be okay. The outer part should be. Is that fine? Okay. Moving ahead to the next part, let's rub from inside. And after rubbing, if your sketch pen got rubbed, you just have to make it little darker. Okay, as mine has vanished a little, so I'll do it nicely. Okay, and then what we are going to do, again, we are going to add on the shadow to your letter. If your light is coming from right side, we have to give it a left side effect. Okay, so what we are going to do, let's add on here or a little this side. Okay, because this shadow is little this side as well. Okay, after this, let's double it up nicely. And then if you want to make it a little stiff, then it's fine. And then let's add the bubble effect this side. Yeah, and one is this side. I hope you all are getting it. Okay, if you want to give a shadow effect with the pencil colors, that will also give good effect. Okay, yeah, I can see a lot of kids have done very nice. Dakshita, your first one is good. Amazingly done, Rhythm. Very good. I can see a lot. Wow. Riddhi has done with the black. It's looking good. Very good, Nidhi Jita, Svetlana. Okay, I can see a lot of kids have done beautifully. Very good, Lidhu. Let's move ahead to the E. E is really easy and amazing. E is really easy and amazing. It looks beautiful. Let's move ahead to E. I'm going to make it here. I hope it's comfortable. Let's move ahead. Make a standing line. One sleeping line above. One sleeping line, the third line. And please, the third line, sleeping line will be little small. And one sleeping line on the last line, which will be equal to the first line. Okay? So what we are going to do, we are going to add on the ovals to it. We are going to add on an ovals to it. And we are going to use, I am going to use personally a light blue color. You can use any colors. You can do this with the pen as well. You can do it with the pencil colors. You can do it with the pencil as well. It's all up to you. But yes, we can be colorful also. Okay. So, okay, sorry. Let's make an oval first. Add on one oval here. Other oval to the first line. Third oval to the third line, and last oval to the last line. And after doing this, after making the ovals, we are going to do it. We are going to make the outlines like this. Okay, I just want to tell you kids, if you want to make it little roundy, it will give a good effect. Okay, because bubble is little round, so make it little round. Okay, don't be stiff that whatever the line is coming, you have to go it with that. You can make it little round. And after making that, we have to rub the inside part. And then we are going to add on, and you know, tomorrow we are going to learn how to make a graffiti. That means how we can add on these alphabets and write down something interesting. Okay, so there is a different concept of that as well. We are going to learn it tomorrow. So kindly come join tomorrow as well. And then let's add a little shadow this side. kids, we are going to add on a shadow this side as well, because this lines also have a shadow, right? So we are going to add on that as well, this. So let's fill it up inside. And after this, yeah. And then the next part will be, we are going to give the bubble effect. Look how we can give a bubble effect. 1, 2, to the endings. We are going to give it to the endings. 3, 4, and little 5. So we have given the bubble effect to our E. Good. I am done with my E. I want to see yours. Yes, kids have done beautifully. Good, good. I'm going to see whichever kids how I can see. I will see. Okay. Anaya is good. Amazing. Very good, Tanishka. Very good, Manya. Amazing. I can see a lot of kids has done with E. So we will move ahead to F. Very good, Svetlana. Kriya, if I can see, I will see. Whenever I'll see, I'll speak up for you as well. Nishtha, very nice. Okay, so we are moving ahead to F. I hope everybody is done with E and you all are enjoying doing it. Yes? Are you enjoying doing it, bubble calligraphy? Yes, very good. Charvi, I need a smile. Smile up, smile up. Very good, Dakshita. Very good. Okay, so we are moving ahead to the next part, that is F. Let's move ahead to F, everyone. I'm going to make it here. Again, we are going to use the 5 lines, and if you're using the black plain paper, that is also comfortable. You can make it in as. Thank you, Vruddhi. I too love calligraphy. Okay, we are moving ahead to F. Make a standing line in the 5 lines. 1 sleeping line, which is little bigger. And on the 3rd line, we are going to make 1 more sleeping line, which will be little smaller. Okay, so let's add on an oval to it. We are going to make a rounded line, 1 oval. Let's add on the other oval, and we can intersect the ovals as I have already told you. We can make it oval, rounded oval. It should be rounded from the down part. Okay, Kriti, make it little rounded. And then we can make oval like this. After this, I'm going to use some other pen. Let's have some different color pen. That is, let's use black. Okay. I'm going to use black. You can use any of it. Okay, let's see how it will look with the black. I'm going to make it, okay, 1. And after this, let's make it a little rounded as we did in F, okay? As we did in E. After it, let's take eraser and rub it from the inside. So I'm done with the black. It's looking good. After this, let's move ahead to the next part. We are going, okay, I'm going to fill it again properly. I'm going to outline it nicely. And then we are going to add on a shadow this side. You all know, as we have done it in F, we are going to add on the shadow. Let's add on a shadow. For the left side, for the standing line, it's like this. Okay. And for this, we can make it here. And for this, we can add on here. we are going to do? We are going to fill it up like this. Yes. I hope everybody's doing F and it is going good. Come on, kids. Show me your smiles and everything. Yeah, show me a thumbs up if it is coming good. Very good, Lidhu. It's beautiful. And after this, we are going to add on our bubble effect to it. How we are going to add on a bubble effect? Let's add on at the sides of it and put a dot here. So I'm done with my F. Let's move ahead to G. Very nice, Kriti. It's looking beautiful. Very nice, kids. It's amazing, Manya. Very good, Svetlana. Okay, and kids, if you want to add on the crayons inside your alphabets, that is also fine. Light crayons, it will also look good. Okay, so we are moving ahead to G. Let's move ahead to G. How we are going to make it? Okay, I hope everybody is enjoying doing it, right? Let's make it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are going to use 5 lines. Let's make G. First make C. Go to the third line like this and put a sleeping line inside it. So we are done with our G. We are going to add on the ovals here. Very good, Anandita. Okay, we are going to add on the ovals here. As we have added the ovals in the C, we are going to add in the G. Please check it out. Start from the first point here. Make a beautiful oval this side. One more oval, which will be little bigger. And the next part will be one more oval this side. We just have to add on the oval so that our letter should look little bubbly. Okay. And we can intersect the oval as I've already told you. And then you can use any different color. I'm going to use the green color. I have added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have added 5 ovals to my G. After that, I'm going to make an outline like this and make it little bubbly. That means little rounded. Okay. You just have to make the outlines and then you can rub the rub the inside part. Let's rub it from inside. And then let's make shadow to it. Okay, shadow will be this side, okay? Let's make shadow. And yes, a little shadow this side also, as it will give a good effect. It will look 3D, okay? Okay, and let's give this side as well, and then let's give a bubbly effect here. One, 2, and 3 here this side. So I hope you can see my G, bubbly G. Do it, everyone. I'm waiting for you. Complete this G and then we will move ahead. And whenever you are going to make a shadow, try making to the same direction. Fill it up in the same direction, then only it will look good. If you're not going to fill it in the same direction, then it will not look a good effect. It will not give a good effect, or it will not look tidy. Okay. Yeah, Dakshita, it's beautiful. Make it little roundy. Oh, very good. Very good. I can see. Very good, Charvi. A little smile I want. Okay, continue doing. Continue. Very good, Riddhi. Very good, Manya. Amazingly done, Svetlana, Tanisha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Yes. Great. So very good, Diksha and Dia. Amazing. We are moving ahead to H, everyone. Let's move ahead. We are moving ahead to H. Please check it out how to make H. I'm going to make it here under E. Let's use 5 lines, make standing line, a little far away, one more standing line, and in the center, let's make a sleeping line. After this, what we are going to do, we are going to make the ovals inside. We are going to do it with a pencil only and use the light pencil. Don't make it little, don't use dark so that you can rub it easily. And make your ovals little roundy, okay? For that, you can make it a little big ovals because you have a good space here. And after this, we have made 3 ovals on the 3 lines. And then let's make it little roundy, okay? You can make it a curvy ends. Yeah. Here it is. And let's rub from inside. Okay. I've rubbed from inside, if you can see it. Okay. Now we are going to add on shadow to it. 1, 2. And here as well. 3. So this shadow is coming this side. The shadow is also coming this side. Iski shadow is also coming this side. And after this, we are going to fill it up nicely. Okay. Yes, it's looking good. And then we are going to add a bubble effect to your letter. Great, great, kids. Let's make a bubble effect. 1, 2. We are going to give it to the ends. 3 and then 4. I hope my H is looking good. My H is looking good. I'm loving it. So I want to see yours. Very good, Svetlana. Amazing, Tanisha. The green color is looking good. Very good. Halak is happy working. Okay, great, great. Very good, very good. Viraj, Pehel, and Pehel's smile is amazing. Very good. Dia is done. I can see a lot of kids done. Let's move ahead. Very good, Kashika. We will move ahead to I. Let's move ahead to I. The last letter for today. We can do it, and then we'll move ahead. Rest of the things we are going to do it tomorrow. We have something more interesting things tomorrow. Okay, so stay tuned for that. Let's move ahead to I. I hope everybody can see my work. Yes. So it's here. We are going to make I, make a standing line, make a sleeping line above, and make a sleeping line down here. And what you are going to do, it should be equal. Okay, it should be equal. And then we are going to make the oval. Now what we are going to do is, I'll let you know something interesting here. Yes, we are done with this. We have, okay, we can intersect this oval here as well. So we have made 3 ovals, and after that, what we are going to do, I'm going to take the purple again. I'm loving my purple. So let's do that. What I'm going to tell you is, let's make it a little rounded like this, make the outline. And now the shadow, we are going to make it with a different color. Now we are going to make a shadow with a different color. Okay, so I'm going to use black for the 3D effect. I'm going to use black for the 3D effect. Let's see how we can add on different color to it. Shadow is this side. Here. And for this, we can add on a little shadow this side coming down. And for this, it is coming here. So let's fill it up with the black. And please fill it up nicely, okay? It should not come out. You can, it should be downwards only. You can also use a bold marker for this. If you are doing with the, if you are giving it a 3D effect, you can also use a bold marker. Okay, and then you can also give a bubble effect to it. Let's give a bubble effect, but give a bubble effect with the same color which you used for making eye. And how we can give a bubble effect? For the outer one, and for your, it's like this. Yes. So my eye is looking amazing. I want to see yours. Yes. Very, very nice, Lakshita. It's beautiful. Very good, Tanishka. Very good, Lakshit. I hope you all are enjoying making it. Very good, Kriti. Very good, Sonakshi is doing. Very nice, Niyati. Amazing, amazing. Very good, Lidhu. Beautiful, Ikra. Okay, okay. So I hope you all are enjoying doing this. This is bubble calligraphy. You can add on, you can write down your names and everything with this. Okay. We have some great things lined up tomorrow as well. Very good, iStar 24. Great, great. Amazing, Niyati. This was the last letter for today, and we are going to do a lot of things tomorrow. Very nice, Kriti. Very nice, Kriya. Okay, okay, very good. Okay, good. Shaurya, you have made it too big. It's really nice. Give a bubble effect. Manya, very good. Very nice, Svetlana. Yes, your eye is beautiful. Yeah. Great, kids, great.